I guess, are we live? Let's see.
Dear XRP community, I have some incredible news that could help you double your...
Hello. You know, this is the first time I'm actually hearing myself with this new mic.
Dear XRP community, I have some incredible news that could help you double your...
Can't believe I have to watch ads.
Hello. You know, this is the first time I'm actually hearing myself with this new mic.
Okay. The mic is pretty good, isn't it? That sounds really good. What's up, Flipcoins? Flipcoins in the house. What's up? What's up, Payne South? How are you? What's up, Shadow Frost? Rip. I mean, 100K was, it was good while it lasted for one day. But hey, we're going back up, so that's good. What's up, Free Lightning? What's up, Garant Groups LLC? Thank you. I love DigiByte and XCP Electro Protocol. How is, you know, it's been a while since I looked at XCP, but how's it doing? Oh, okay. It's not doing bad. Looks like it's getting some sort of recovery right now. So far so good. And then DigiByte. Oh yeah, DigiByte's going. Congratulations. So I guess I'll take a you know, I do have DigiByte on the watch list, but I'll go ahead and take a look at it for you again since it is going up. So yeah, again, it looks like we got rejected at the 382, so we saw that, so you would have theoretically known, because we always say the 382's resistance, bearish under 1 cent 1, next area was 1 cent 90. Once we clear this, you're looking at 3 cents, 4 cents 60, 8 cents and a half, and then 18 cents. If it decides to go into price discovery mode, you're obviously looking at up to $1.72. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Congratulations on your DigiByte move. That's awesome. Ads, yeah, I know. I have to watch these ads. Unbelievable. Pretty good, Mike. Yeah, I know. It's really nice, but see, it came with a clamp. But my desk, it's one of those raisey desks where you can raise it. So you're supposed to be able to clamp it on top onto the desk, and then you could move it around. But the problem is that because this is so thick, it doesn't clamp. So the clamp actually doesn't fit. So where is that? Yeah, so this right here, it doesn't go, so I can't clamp it anywhere. So it's unfortunate, but that's why I have the mic just chilling over here. But I made a Dogelon video this morning, and then I watched it, and the mic sounded really clear and really good. So I'm pretty happy with it. GFI, what's up, Larry? Peace amongst worlds, Larry. GFI, I'll take a look at that. Mobile has broken back down. That's unfortunate, but for anybody that took profits and bought the lows and then sold the highs, congratulations. But if you're accumulating, and if we didn't get over the 382 and if we're below the 236, then it is going to be bearish. I'll take a look at that for you. Can you take a look at Kaspa and Turbo? Yes, what's up, Bingo Bango? Long time no see. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. And by the way, this isn't my chair. I'm sitting on a box of a chair. This is my wife's chair, actually. But I did order a chair, so I'm actually going to have a chair and not a stool to sit on. So, upgrading in the world. So, let's see. Let's see. What did you want me to look at? Do you think it's too risky to swing trade PNG at 45 resistance? Let's take a look at GFI, PNG, and Mobile, and then Kaspa and Turbo. It's a lot of coins. Yeah, PNG is getting stuck right now. So obviously next area is going to be, 47 cents. And then once that breaks $1.33, which is the macro targets. So just keep that in mind. From the high to the low, 44, 45 cents, 58 cents, 83 cents, and then you're looking at $1.33 on the macro. Would I risk trading it? I don't know. I'm not a big trader, so I wouldn't trade it. But you could do whatever you want. But I don't trade. I just hold, and then when my targets get hit, I sell, and that's it. How's GFI looking? Goldfinch. Oh, we're back down to $2.20, but that was a really good move up actually. So yeah, so like we said with GFI, it's still macro bullish because it is over the 382. You can see we actually had a sell-off, came tagged the 382, and then blasted past of 0.5, and we're on our way to 299, 623, which we did previously tag, and then $15 for Goldfinch. And then none of the targets have changed as long as we stay over $1.07, which has been valid for the last, year. So that's pretty much it for Goldfinch. Any information on Agent Fund, please? I will take a look at that. I'm assuming that's a gamble coin, but I will take a look at that. What's up, Carla? How are you? Welcome to the end of the live stream. I'm just joking. We just started. I'm stuck in the mud on my stuff. Flip coins, what do you need me to look out for you? Just let me know. Can we look at MOG? Yes. How are you? Good. Moved. So pretty good. Can we look at Swift coin? Should break up again soon. Is it at 2 cents? Free Lightning. Please tell me if I look at it. If it's over 2 cents, it's gone. What's up, David Wood? Can you look at XRP? I just bought it. Well, you bought the dip, so that's good. I'll take a look at it for you. I'm gonna hodl mobile though, because I sold Sandbox for the dip and I regret it. I'd rather lose this money than feel bummed for selling. Yeah, you gotta just go down. A good captain goes down with the ship. So I get it. Hello. Hi, Alexio. How are you? Carla, are you upgrading your screen? What do you mean my screen? Like, what do you mean my screen? Upgrading my screen. Like my monitor? Are you upgrading your screen? Yeah, what do you mean my screen? You mean my like computer monitor? I sold Jasmy and bought XRP. I don't know if that's a good play, but we'll take a look at it. So let's take a look at Kaspa and Turbo. So is Kaspa still over 12 cents? 16, yeah, so it's still bullish. What is it, like 20 29 cents, right? Yeah, so 34 cents. Okay, that's right. So Kaspa is on its way to 34 cents. As long as it stays over. Very simple for Kaspa. As long as it stays over 14 cents, if 14 cents doesn't hold, I'd say we're probably going to go back down. At that point, the 786 for a higher low needs to hold. I don't know where that's going to put the RSI. It is probably going to kind of reset the RSI, and the stock RSI is going to be reset at that time. But if not, then 34 cents is in place. So just keep in mind the key areas that need to hold is 14.40, and then 34 cents is in play. And then Turbo, for Bingo Bango, we already have a graph drawn out for this, so it's easy to look at it. So for Turbo, it's actually getting stuck at resistance, but keep in mind, we are validating this downtrend that we're forming. So if we don't break over 209 for a continuation up to 1 cent 30, then you are going to go back down, get smacked back down, and all these targets on the downside are going to be validated at 207, 2058, and so on, and then we'd be validating this downtrend that we're forming. So just keep that in mind. And on the upside, once we break 1 cent 30, you're looking at 19 cents. So if you're trying to take profits on the way up, those are some pretty good targets. Just my opinion, not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Hold on, I gotta look at the member coin, flip coins, UsedCar, Billy, Myro, Turbo, Sneck saving me. Okay, well, I just gave you Turbo. Okay, so Turbo is actually, yeah, look, we're literally in the box. So as of right now, once we break 209, again, 1 cent 30 is in play, double top, and then you're looking at 1 cent 90, the next target for all-time highs, price discovery, blah, blah, blah. You know the deal. And then on the downside, same thing. If the 236 at 2083 breaks, you're going to hope to consolidate and form a base at 207. If it doesn't, you're going to make that lower low, and you're going to validate that downtrend that we're in. Used car. Oh, please tell me it's going up. Oh, please tell me it reversed, because we talked about it and it should have reversed, right? Because we were like all the way oversold. Yeah, we did reverse. Okay. So, yeah, we were oversold. Stock RSI was completely reset. We said that we were going to get some sort of bounce. We said that we don't know how strong the bounce is going to be. So, as of right now, 1 cent 30, 1 cent 60 is in play. And then on the downside, it just needs to hold 2.049. I know we came back down a lot. But I mean, you know, we don't know how low this, this is good because it stopped breaking and it looks like we're forming a base. But same thing here. You can see that we actually are in a downtrend, right? So even if it comes back up, we can still come back down and get rejected and then come all the way down to 2.049. But as long as we get a nice recovery and we break out of this downtrend, maybe and then come back and use it as support, then all the targets are still valid. 1 cent 30, 1 cent 60, 3 cents 70, 7.5 cents, 18 cents. But it seems like this is just a coin that's going to just like draw a big giant green candle. So you just have to be ready to sell, in my opinion. Yeah, because I mean, it needs to hold 2.049. And I mean, that kind of like looks like it. It kind of reminds me of like Dogelon Mars, right? You go up, you come back down, you go up, you come back down. But really the big move happens when it just explodes. Like, and it's like 1 week, 2 weeks. So that's pretty much it for used car. Let's take a look at Billy. Billy's a good one. Good liquidity. All right, Billy's going up. We never came back down to 2 cent 90. We're at 3 cents 90. So 10 cents is in play. 12 cents 95 is in play, and then all-time high, and then $1.23, up to $1.23. Keep in mind, back up to its all-time high is around 5x right now. So it is around 200 million market cap. So if it comes back down, 2 cents 90 absolutely needs to hold for Billy because you're going to be maintaining this uptrend. We've already talked about it, so it's really you already know the targets for Billy. And then Myro. I haven't looked at Myro in a second. Let's see. Taking a look at Myro. Oh yeah, we're attempting to break out. This is look, check it out. So we're actually in this downtrend, right? But the thing is that, so we're literally in this downtrend, you can see. But the thing is that we have resistance at 9 cents and 12 cents and a half, and it looks like we're about to break out. So if we do break out, and if we do break out of this downtrend, then you're looking at 20, 29, 46 cents. These are all in play. So good luck with Myro. I hope this breaks out. So Myro's bullish because it broke over 12.5 cents. So as long as it's 12.5 cents, then it's solid. Then you're good. And then your last cent, and then once that breaks, you're looking at 20, 29, 46 cents. And then your last coin was, what is it? SNEC. Oh, please tell me SNEC's going up. Please tell me SNEC's going up. Did it hit the 1618? Oh, SNEC is, dude. Hey man, good for you. Like seriously good for you. I'm really happy for you because this thing is making you money. It's going to be crypto. Yeah, dude. Did it hit the 1618? Oh, wait. It did, right? Hold on. Yeah, it did. 206. It blew past it. Wow. Hey, so the last time I looked at this, we were down here, remember? And we said that, oh, so it went up another, like, 100% in the last couple of days. Hey, let's go. Congratulations. Oh, my gosh. That is good for you, man. So you're doing pretty well right now. So from the low to the high, over here, we said, well, actually, I might have taken it from here. We said that 2.032, 2.025 needs to hold with any sort of retracement. But clearly, you can see we barely retraced, and it's going up. So it's going really hard right now. So I'd say the same thing. 2.5 cents is in play right now. You can clearly see we broke past it. So 2.5 cents is in play right now. And then I'd say 2.06 needs to hold. And then does that coincide with any levels? I guess we could do here. Yeah, so I'd say Bullish over 2055, 206, and then it needs to hold 2039. I know that's a really big retracement, but just keep in mind, as long as it stays over this level, you're still macro bullish. And just keep in mind also, you know, after it got its all-time high, it did retrace by around 75% before it had this monster run. So where would that put this? That would put that at like 59% retracement before you have a, you know, another monster run. So just as long as you're aware of these targets, then you should be fine. And congratulations, that's awesome. Flip coins for 20. Hey, thank you so much for that. That's awesome. I really appreciate that. Wow, that is a lot of money. Thank you so much for that. Flip coins, thank you. I hope Snack goes to 2 cents, man, because that's another, bro, that's another 200. That's crazy. 226%. Good for you. Good for you, man. That's huge. And I know you're a big whale in this coin, so in Snack. So congratulations, man. I have to look at SwiftCoin. I'm sorry if I missed some. Obviously, I have to look at the membership coins. And then obviously the super chat. I'm sorry if I missed your coins. If you're still here, please ask again. And then I can take a look at it. So far, it's SwiftCoin. Yeah, so SwiftCoin's literally following the targets that we always talk about actually every single week. So we said... Yeah, we said, remember we said this is resistance, and then once that breaks, you're looking at retesting this high at 209. It actually went all the way up. Yeah, so, you know, I still say 2 cents to target. That's why when earlier I was like, hey, I said, hey, like, is it at 2 cents? And it's because we have a target here. So, yeah, so I'd say 2 cents is in play, and then it needs to stay over... Yeah, it needs to stay over 207 for any sort of continuation up. Very simple. So I know this is a really big swing, but as long as it stays over 207, then you're looking at 2 cents in play. So even if you get like consolidation sideways, you're still validating this uptrend that we're in. So yeah, pretty much it for Swift. Those are the targets right now for Swift. No financial advice, just my opinion. What's up, Rayhana? Is it 2 a.m. where you are? Because it's 5 p.m. here, so let me know what you want me to look at. I know you're tired. Flip coins, you think it can hit 2 cents? I don't know, that's risky. Let me see. Yeah, I do. I think it hit 2 cents. Yeah, because that's only a 1.2 billion, 1.8 billion market cap, less than 2 billion market cap. Yeah, I think it can. And if this is going to be the coin that does what it does, like, you know, like goes to the moon, then obviously like this is going to go past that. Because if this is going to do a SHIBA INU or DOGECOIN, and it is the first meme coin on Cardano, so remember that. It is, yeah, it's absolutely, it could absolutely blow past 2.5 cents. So that's just my opinion, obviously. XRP. Yeah, so taking a look at XRP, I think we're still at $6, right? $6 in play. Yeah, $6 is in play. We need to stay over 2, and then you're looking at retracement to 382. Yeah, so 236, 382. So I'd say, I know this is a really big range and a really big box, but as long as XRP stays over $1.48 to $2, $6 up to $6 is in play, and that's pretty much it. Really, nothing more to say there. You know, it needs to stay over $1.48 and $2. If it doesn't, then then that was a local top, and we are probably going to come back down. But I do think we're going to have a monster run. Obviously, you know, Bitcoin dominance hasn't even really dropped, right? We're still, yeah, I mean, it is dropping right now. This is it, but like we still have long ways to go. I want to say a couple months. So, once we really get that move up, then you're gonna see XRP going up. But those are my targets for the most part. I hope that made sense. And yeah, that's all I got. What's up already, Rich? All good, brother. Hey, what's up? I hope all is well. Have you looked at Spell yet? No, but I will. When you look at XRP, can you look at Jasmy with I sold and bought XRP? I hope you didn't buy XRP at the top. Dang, man. Jasmy. Oh, man. That is... What a nice move. Wow. Dude. Ugh. You should have held on to your Jasmy, but you probably already know that, and you don't want to listen to that, so... I will not say it. That's so scary. That's why I, like, don't want to... I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep my Elon and just let it ride. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yeah, so this you know, like, for example, for other Goldfinch people, like, this literally looks like it's going to happen for Goldfinch. We're staying above the 382, and, you know, we're getting stuck at the 618. Next target is 12 cents, 36 cents, and so on. So right now, 5 cents, 60, literally we said the 618, and we're getting tagged at it. So for anybody who, you know, bought these lows and selling here, that's around a 200% pump. So congratulations on that move. So, oh, you sold at 5 cents 80. Okay, so yeah, you're solid. You sold at the 618. That's not bad. And keep in mind that is a really big move up for Jasmy, because look, that's around a 20x from the low. So congratulations on that. Thanks for the Dave, Michael, welcome to Crypto Cats. Let's go. Hey, thank you so much for the membership. Actually, you were a member before, weren't you? Because you still have the little logo. Yeah, you were a member for a while. XEN, Quant, Agent Fund. Did I not look at that? Well, I didn't look at that. Okay. Yeah, what is this? Like... This coin just came out on the 29th. Dude, yeah, hey, that's a pretty good rotation, David Wood, then. If you sold 580 and bought at 230, that's very... Dude, that you are definitely playing it well, because XRP is obviously going to get some sort of bounce. This came out... November. I can't find Agent Fund. Yeah, I can't find it. Yeah, sorry. It's very new. I can't find it on anything, so sorry about that. David Wood, 8K. Hey, let's go. Congratulations. I love hearing that, man. That is awesome. Good for you. It's the best feeling. Now, just make sure you don't get chopped up. Don't get too excited and start buying and, you know, get absolutely wrecked, right? But you probably know what you're doing. Actually, I don't know if you know what you're doing. I don't even know what I'm doing, which means that none of you guys know what you know. Just imagine. But yeah, no, it's really scary. And that's happened to me in the past where... I got chopped up mostly in OXT, because if you guys know the story, I made money in SHIBA INU, and I basically gave it all back with OXT. So, but see, the thing is, David Wood made a good play. So he made that much. He sold literally Jasmy at the 618. So you sold on cue at resistance. So that's very good. Unless it goes up to like 12 cents, which it doesn't matter. Don't even look at it at that point, because you still made your money. And then you rotated on XRP, which XRP just had a really big sell-off and a big move down. So David Wood actually made a very smart play. So hats off to you and congratulations. Mobile. I gotta go take a look at mobile. That's right. Oh man, yeah. So it's all the way back down. It's still holding over the 236, I think. But let me take a look at it for you. That's unfortunate. Yeah. So taking a look at mobile. Yeah. Okay. So it's still holding 201. So if it falls below 201, I'd say good games, and we're bearish, and we're going back down to the lows. If it stays over 201, we have a shot at a bottom. Continuation up to 2015. Once that breaks, retest of 202, 28, 44, 7, and then from there, all-time highs up to 34 cents. Very simple, not financial advice, just my opinion. What's up, Nicholas? What's up, buddy? How is XLM looking? I don't know. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. I know it's holding up better than XRP. XRP had a nasty sell-off. Look at this. XRP, and again, this, you know, it went up to like $3. Yeah, 270 or 3 or whatever. Yeah, 270, 284. I swear I saw it at 290. I wonder if it doesn't like actually show it. I thought it was at 290, but whatever. And then it had a nasty sell-off. But yeah, it's doing better right now. So let's take a look at it. Taking a look at XLM. From this high to the low. Yeah, we're still over 47 cents. We're looking at 87 cents. Sorry, 80 cents. Excuse me. 80 cents, and then you're looking at 367. And then XRP needs to stay over, or sorry, XLM needs to stay over the 236382. So bearish under, sorry, not bearish. Local top if it falls below 30 cents, and then over 40 cents is ultra bullish. And in both instances, 80 cents and 367 are in play. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Michael for 5. Hey, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. Wow. CM, you deserve much more for what you do. I forgot to update my memberships. Blessing to you and yours. Hey, thank you. That's really nice. Wow. That is really nice words. I really appreciate that. And that's really awesome. You're going to make me cry on stream. Ah. No, that's really nice. That's all I guess that's all I got. Like, that's really nice. And thank you so much. I hope your coins go to the moon, but I also hope like everyone makes it, man. I know, you know, OXT and Dogelon Mars, like, I'm not rotating. I'm not Mr. Wood, man. I can't pull what Mr. Wood did, which is like do a crazy rotation. And, you know, you did pretty well, in my opinion. Selling that's really good. Because literally for Jasmy, you're obviously going to get some sort of retracement. If the steam dies, this is the local top, right? Until we get... I'm not saying that's it for Jasmy. Of course, it's going to go higher, right? But I'm saying you literally sold the 618 at 5 cents 50. So, like, you know, you're looking at these targets and you're playing it smart. You know, 5 cents 50, 12 cents, 36 cents. So, like, yeah. So, and look, given the RSI is probably in the green, right? Yeah. So, like, look, the RSI is literally in the green. And every single time we've had that, we've had some sort of sell-off here. You know, we've had sell-off consolidation, but, you know, let me see. I mean, that's still like a 35% drawdown. So, but yeah, pretty much it. Good job. Let's see. I'm wondering how high Turbo can go once Turbo get on Coinbase. Well, we have a target right now for Turbo at 2 cents. So I think. Is it 2 cents? Yeah, 2 cents. So we have a target on Turbo, and Turbo's attempting to be bullish. I looked at this coin for flip coins. You can see where once we break resistance, then you're looking at previous high, double top, hopefully breakout, and then 2 cents. And then I hope you guys are using these targets as areas to take profits. You know what I mean? But, you know, then again, you might not. You might actually be using these as like areas of retracement to dollar cost average down. So that's very possible too. Let's see. What am I? Just tuning in. Any XCN SwiftCoin coverage yet? Yeah. What's up, James? I actually did SwiftCoin. I'll take a look at XCN, but if we have time, I could take a look at. If we have time, I could take a look at SwiftCoin again. Can you give a good bid zone for Turbo? Like, you mean like a buy zone? I don't know, because it literally looks like it's trying to break out. So I don't know. Right? Because usually when it gets stuck in resistance, then you know, that's when you either blow off or you get rejected, right? So right now it's like, I can't tell you, because I could say, yeah, 207 if it comes all the way back down. but we knew that that was a target when it did come back down, and you kind of missed it back in November 22nd. So that's given that it comes all the way back down to the November lows and then starts consolidating, and then it goes up from there. So you're kind of playing it risky. So that's why, like, you know, if you're that's why if you're like dollar cost averaging down, you should already have the coin and not go all in and play it smart, right? If you have like 5 grand, maybe buy 1,000 right now, and 1,000 if it goes to 207, and then 1,000 if it goes to 2058. Now, saying that, you gotta also be careful. Like, if you're buying complete gamble coins, then it's probably gonna you know, high risk, high reward. So but anyway, like, I hope you have some sort of plan and strategy like that, right? So I can't really give you a good bid zone for Turbo right now, because as of right now, we are in resistance, and one of two things is going to happen. One, we're going to consolidate in resistance, or we're going to break out and we're going to double top, and from there, hopefully go into price discovery. So please have a look at I Love Puppies if you can. You're welcome. I will do that. Thank you so much, Harlem Fashion. Do you think Aventus can reach $70 this altcoin season? Yeah, Aventus is a good coin. It's a small market cap, relatively low supply. It doesn't look like it's dead, and it's way high from its all-time lows. So it's not like the devs are just dumping. They're obviously doing a lot of stuff. But we'll take a look at Aventus for you to see how high it can go, and what the targets are. It's waiting for the Coinbase listing to go up, but then it come back down. Yeah, exactly. It's going to get pumped like Shiba Inu did, and then it's going to go all the way back down to pre levels, right? What announcements, partnerships needed? Your guess is better than mine. I know you're like trying to find hopium right now, and these are all valid questions, but the truth is, like, we don't know, right? We don't know until after the fact. Like, this thing can pump 100% next month. It can pump 100% right now, and then in 2 months we could hear news about how it's partnered with Google, and it could go another 100%. And then, you know, you just never know. All I'm going to say is YOLO. Yeah, exactly. YOLO. You know, $5,000 isn't going to make you or break you, but, you know, turning that $5,000 into like $100,000 or $1 million is going to make you. You know what I mean? So I get it. I'm in the same boat as you guys. Let's look at Aventus, and then what was it? XCN. That's right. Did I look at XCN? Oh yeah, because you looked for X. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I hope you're still here. Sorry, I got sidetracked because you asked for XCN and Turbo. So, wow, I can't believe I like went on for that long. Yeah, taking a look at XCN, looks like it's about to double. It looks like literally it's about to blow up on out of here. But we'll take a look at it. Yeah, so XCN. Oh yeah, so it's attempting bearish under 2026, which every single week. Free Lightning. Thank you I didn't even see that. Thank you so much for the membership, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. See, now you can thank you for sponsoring this cat. You see this cat? Hey, Free Lightning just sponsored you. Look. You just helped this cat get another week of food. I'm just joking. I take care of my cats. Don't call cat protective services on me. So XCN, it's over 2026, so it's no longer bearish right now. Keep your eyes on 2059, and then you're looking at 1 cent 15. Very, very, very simple. Are my chats not showing up, or are you ignoring me? Wait, you didn't even write anything. You wrote, how much, David? I need hopium. Dang, congrats, bro. Freaking awesome, man. I'm assuming you're talking about David Wood. No, yeah, that's it. And then I got your super chat. Yeah, hey, what did you say? Can you type something again? And if you're typing, if I don't see, can anybody retype what he's typing? I don't know why it's not showing. No, you're not blocked or anything. David Wood, welcome to Crypto Cats. Thank you so much for the membership. Let me go get my other cat now, so so you can see the membership, and it's, you know, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, he already came up here, but Angel's too scared. David Wood, thank you so much for the super chat. Or sorry, thank you so much for the memberships. I really appreciate that. Hey, Roy's Army, are you okay? I put Pepe 2, never get any videos. I feel left out. Yeah, I didn't see the Pepe 2.0. I did see that message, but I didn't see Pepe 2.0. I'll take a look at Pepe 2.0 for you right now. So I didn't. Yeah, I saw that message though. Pepe 2.0. Taking a look at Pepe 2.0. Oh, it's in resistance. Hey, RSI is looking fine. Stock RSI is normal. Yeah, so Pepe 2, it is in resistance, and yeah, for Pepe 2 and something with like such a low market cap, I mean, I guess, let's just say, yeah, you're looking at here. Let me just like completely redo this because I wonder where I got this area of resistance. Was it here? Yeah, it was here. So I used this high. Okay. So let's actually take a look at Pepe 2 a different way. So from the high, which you're not going to like because it's actually going to be bearish. So yeah, so for Pepe 2, I was kind of looking at it on a shorter time frame, but at this point, let's just look at it on a longer time frame. Because, you know, you always ask for Pepe 2. I'm assuming you're just going to hold it. And it is Pepe 2.0, so you're not wrong. So we're looking at bearish under 7.044 and then bull run over 7.06. I'd obviously put the next target here. So yeah, I'd say as long as it stays under the 236 at 7.044, it is going to accumulate in this range. Once it breaks this area, once it breaks this resistance, then I'd say 6.027 is in play. But yeah, I mean, this is a gamble coin. You already know that. It's around a 6x, which is going to put the market cap around 100 million. So you already know that. But that's pretty much it for Pepe 2. I will take a look. I'm assuming you want Pepe 2, not Pepe 2, but Pepe 2 like as well. So I'll take a look at that for you too in a second. Let me see what the chat's saying. I got to look at Aventus. That's a good coin. I like Aventus. I remember I was going to buy it and then I didn't, and then I missed it. I don't say that with all the coins, but I do say that with some of them. Like I missed Swift coin. I actually had, but I sold it, and this was a little while ago. And then do you guys remember Jupiter? I'm so glad I sold that. Do you guys remember the Jupiter coin that was on Coinbase? It was like with Swift coin. It was Swift coin and Jupiter, and I remember I bought both coins and I made some money, and then I sold it, and then I was like, ooh, I'm gonna buy, like I might buy Swift coin if it goes back down, and then Jupiter got delisted, and then I got scared about Swift coin, but I shouldn't have because Swift coin went to the moon. So and that was like small trades because obviously, you know, I was like, oh, let me make like a couple of dollars here. So yeah, so as far as Aventus goes, you know, you're looking at $3, bearish under $2.28, bull run over 312, which it looks like once we break out, then to the moon. Yeah, previous high 1183 and then 4485. So I'd say 4485 could possibly be the high. 14x, which is, yeah, 14x. So let's just say a 20x even is around a 360 million. So this coin has never been more than a $41 million market cap coin. So it has a lot of room for growth. You can see literally it has a lot of room for growth. So, and it doesn't look like they've released any coins, or actually a lot. So it does have a potential for 44, and anything over that is like $387. I have no idea. So, you know, bless you if you get that, and make sure you remember me. Excuse me. Give me a second. I need to get some water. Alrighty. What did I miss? Do you think Dogelon Mars won't run good this run? Everything else going crazy but us? Yeah. That's a good question. I don't know. So that is one of the coins that I am in. Obviously, you know that. So I am in Dogelon Mars. And if I didn't think it was going to run, I would probably rotate. So, I mean, you're kind of asking, like, I'm kind of biased because I do think it's going to run. I think that it has a whole bunch of stuff, good stuff headed towards it. Like, you got Rufus Chain, Metaverse, all that stuff, you know, all the stuff Shiba Inu did last bull run. I do think we are going to run, but I just think we're lagging. But we are going to get that massive green candle. I do think we are going to go up. And that's what I think, you know. And just keep in mind, I do have it. So that's my biased opinion. Guys, I'm sorry if I missed any coins. Can you let me know if I missed your coin? Let's see. Pepe. I gotta look at Pepe for Roy's Army. Yeah, Pepe is forming a nice little bull flag right here. So you're looking at 3 zeros 34. Sorry, 4 zeros 34 is in play. So you're looking at around 56% pump from the current price. Did I miss any super chats? David Wood, thank you so much for the thank you so much for the membership. I really appreciate that. And then is Roy's Army typing? Because I can't see what he's typing if he's typing. So can anybody like let me know if he's typing? What's up, Matt? Have you gone over SwiftCoin yet? Yes, I have. 2 cents is in play right now. And it needs to stay over 207. Everyone hit that like button. Thanks, Harlem Fashion. I really appreciate that. Where my QNT? Ooh, expensive coin. Good, solid blue chip coin though. So, Quant. Oh, I think it's I think it's not bearish because what was it, like 122, right? Let's see, 122. I don't know. From the high to the low. Oh, 131. Yeah, so we're actually over 131. So congratulations on hitting all these. Remember, we were back here. We're like, hey, 99. Shit. Okay, hold on. Testing. Okay. You remember $99, bullish over 99, and then you're looking at 131. It obviously went in the middle. We wouldn't have known. We have a target at 174, 258, 428, and from there, you know, 1,800. I think you said you wanted 2,000, right? But we have a target at the 1618. So yeah, Quant is macro bullish. So congratulations. You probably have like 2 months or 3 months to get out. I don't know, actually. You know, don't take that, you know, seriously. I actually really don't know. You just got to sell it whenever you want, obviously. So that's pretty much it for Quant. Again, as long as it stays over $99, it's perfect. And then I could, you know, take my fib from the low to the high in 236382 for continuation. I guess I could do that for you. So continuation over 125 to 106. But it doesn't matter because we're not even that far away from 99. So as long as it stays over 99, you're still macro bullish. Spell token. Oh man, I'm sorry. Okay, so spell token, really quick. As long as it stays over 3 zeros 95, you're looking at 2 zeros 18. If we're under 3 zeros 95, we are macro bearish because we are under the 236. Now, saying that, let's look at spell and see where it's at. Yeah, dude, congratulations. Hey, where's that guy who has like a whole bunch of spell token? J Music? Was it J Music? Oh, he's too rich now. He got rich and now he's like he doesn't want to come come in the stream anymore because he's rich. Okay, I see how it is, J Music. That's a go. Okay, that's fine. There's another person also that has a whole bunch of spell. But yeah, again, very simple for spell. We talk about this every single week. So really not much to say. So clearly from the high to the low, you can see the 3 zeros 95 is the 236. We're over it. So 2 zeros 18 is in play. double top. Once we break that, you're looking at 303. Sorry, 203, 205, 1 cent, previous high, and then up to 43 cents. So very simple, not financial advice, just my opinion. And congratulations, like seriously, congratulations. Hey, does anybody know if Roy's Army typing? Because I really don't see any of his types, or I don't see any of his messages. So if he's typing, please let me know. MB Trucker 68, let's go. Welcome to Crypto Cats. Hey, thank you so much. Welcome to the membership. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Let me know if if you need me to look at any of your coins. You think Quant going higher? I think so. I think Quant is a really good coin. I think I would actually buy. You know how like I have 2 coins that like I'm holding for dear life. I think Quant would be one of the coins that I would hold on for dear life because it's so good. It has good fundamentals. It has good capital. It has good backing. It's literally a no-brainer in my opinion. I don't know if it's gonna go any higher than the previous because I don't know if they release coins. Actually, that's a good question. Let me see. And not that it matters if a company gets listed, like if a company gets partnership with like Google, then it's like the funds are like endless, so it really doesn't matter. But I just want to see. Yeah, it looks like they're almost fully diluted, and it doesn't look like any big jumps in terms of releasing coins. So their tokenomics are pretty solid. And the reason why you need to definitely pay attention to that is like when you go on CoinMarketCap yourself and you're doing price and market cap, and then you see like the price here, and then you see a giant spike up on the market cap, you know right off the bat, hey, they're releasing coins. What happens afterwards? The price goes down. Happens every time. So it's good that when you do this comparison, you see that the only time they release coins, the price was here, and then the price went up, and then they release coins here. So it's very simple. So good fundamentals. Hello, I just want to say hi. I love your stream. I'm learning a lot. Yeah, of course, man. And play around on CoinMarketCap. It does have TradingView built-in button. Eventually, I'm actually going to pay for TradingView when I'm like rich, and when I hopefully when Dogelon Mars makes me rich, I'm going to be able to pay for it. But the reason why is because I can actually save my charts. So when repeating people come and they're like, hey, I could actually draw it out, and then we could see if it played out, so that we can see. I could save a lot more data rather than to draw it again. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. First and foremost, I have to wait until my chair gets here tomorrow and put it together, so that I don't have to sit on a box. But after that, TradingView is on the to-do list. So, if you have any questions, let me know. I could literally just tell you what I do and show you what I do, and yeah. George Avalos recommended your channel to me. Oh, that's awesome. I think I think he's a member too, right? Let me see. I can actually see. Is he a member? He might be a subscriber. Yeah, he might not be a member. George Avalos. I thought maybe he was a subscriber or a member. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you, George. I think QNT will go over $1,000, especially if they land CBDC. I hope so. I have 19 million spell. Let's go. Hey, 19 million spell at 1 cent is going to be $190,000. Let's go. Congratulations. All I have at the moment is Elon. Dogelon gang, let's go! If you ain't got no Dogelon Mars, get you some. Yeah, I have Dogelon Mars too. So, unfortunately, we went down a little bit, but it doesn't matter. It is what it is. We're holding anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Can you check out Simon's Cat? Yes. Thanks for your analysis. Appreciate your streams and videos. How does ABT look at the moment? What's your opinion on where it's headed? Okay. Can you please do Alchemy, ACH? Can you take a look at ICP and Moo Deng? Yeah, you mean Moo Deng or Moo Deng? Thank you so much, Free Lightning. I really do appreciate the membership. That's awesome. All right, let's take a look at ICP and Moo Deng from David, and then we'll do Simon's Cat and then Alchemy. So ICP, ooh, I don't know about ICP. It's a really big market cap. It's like really diluted. I'm not like you know. It's not looking too bad. Is it macro bullish? See, the thing is, if you take this giant, like, I don't like this because I remember this coin being listed on Coinbase and it just like literally went to zero. So, and I don't even want to use this wick, right? Because I don't. But yeah, so ICP is attempting to not be bearish. So keep in mind that from the high to the low, you can literally see if I do take it from this high. ICP needs to get over $14.49. Once it does, it's no longer bearish. As long as we're below $14.49, you are bearish. You are in bearish territory. So nothing's bullish about it. It's basically going to bleed. It's going to be horrible. You're in the shadow realm. Once it breaks $14.49, then you're looking at $39.63, 382. Once that breaks, then you're looking at bull run. Bull run for ICP, 89.203. If it goes back to 641, great. And then from there, you know, it is what it is. But keep in mind, they also did dilute the market. So like if you were to go back to $600 or whatever, that's for 40x. That does put the market cap around, what is that? 7 billion times 10, 70 billion times 4, 280 billion. So if you come over here and you look at the market cap, it's never been more than 53 billion. So just keep that in mind. And then you said you wanted Moo Deng. Moo Deng, yeah, that's what I thought. The one that just got listed on Gemini. Yeah, so for Moo Deng, oh, we like blasted through that. Okay, so I don't even know. Where did I get these targets? Was it here? Yes, it was. So you can see from the low to the high, we said the box needed to hold, and if the box held, 98 cents and 536 are in play. You can clearly see we actually broke below it, but we quickly, every single time we went down, we came back and retested it. And once, you know, and once we, you know, blew past it, we got rejected back down. So as of right now, support is holding technically. 37.47 cents needs to hold, and the 98 cents to 536 are in play. Very simple. Let's take a look at Simon's Cat. I have a graph for this too. So Simon's Cat. Take a look at Simon's Cat. Is this the right coin? I don't think so. I think it's on Ethereum, right? Hey. Can you let me know what, which one it is? There we go. I was going to say I had a graph for this. Yeah, so for Simon Cat, we literally, wow, congratulations. So we said it needs to stay over 4035, and this was crucial area of support. And literally, we came all the way to the box, and then we had a reversal, and we blasted through 4046. This is exactly what happens with like some gamble coins, right? So wow, congratulations. You're looking at 4075 in play right now. So pretty much it. Not financial advice. All of this is just my opinion. And at this point, I'm going to actually redraw the chart because everything validated. We invalidated the downtrend. We hold support. We blew past this area of resistance. So I'm going to remove indicators. And as of right now, I'd say, you know, we're getting stuck at the 786. Could it be a 786 retracement followed by downtrend? Maybe, but we'll take a look at that in a second. So previous high and then 4086 is in play. Keep in mind there's going to be a continuation as long as we stay over this box. With that being said, with that being said, that's pretty much it. So 4047, 4005, you're looking at 406 double top, and then price discovery up to 4086. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Hello, Gala, please. Same Dogelon Mars army. Let's go, Dogelon Mars. Come on, Dogelon Mars. Make me rich. Take me to Mars. Gala, are we over key? Yeah, where is okay. Let's see. Are we over? Oh, congratulations. Where's Gearhead? Oh yeah, he's another one. He became a millionaire and then he just like disappeared. Wow, I see how it is, Gearhead. From the high to the low, yeah, so we said 6 cents 30 is in play. So, I mean, if he sold it here, good for him, right? Like, if he bought it down here and sold it here, that's around a 3x. So, I do think it's going to go higher, though. I do, 10 cents. I think he should probably, like, he could probably get away with selling at like 17 cents. And then, because that's like a 618 retracement, right? So I think that's very possible. But, but however, just keep in mind to the gentleman who asked for Gala, keep in mind that it is bullish over 6 cents 30 and it is bearish under 3 cents 40, and everything in between is just resistance and we don't know where it's going to go. So it needs to stay over 3 cents 40, and once it breaks 6 cents 30, you're looking at 10 cents, 17 cents, and so on. Very simple. Thoughts on Compound? I love Compound, but it's I like Compound. Compound's a good coin. I'll take a look at it for you in a second. Thank you. I think Simon's Cat can really have a good move this bull peak. Is Simon's Cat the equivalent of SNEC on Cardano and then like Cock Inu on AVAX? So is like Simon's Cat the meme coin for Binance? My cat keeps coming over here. I think he just wants to sit down right here. Yeah, so like how okay, now he wants to leave. Well, you keep coming over here. So yeah, you know how like what is that DOGECOIN Solana Samo, like Samo Solana, SNEC is Cardano, Cock Inu is AVAX. Is Simon's Cat the equivalent of that? Like, is it the BNB meme coin? The one and only Brett. I'm assuming you want Brett on Based, right? Because I think that's the coin that no, this isn't the right one. Or is it the Uniswap one? I have a graph on one of these. It has to be the one I have a graph on, right? Yeah, there we go. So I'm assuming it's this. Yeah, so we could delete this because we actually never fell below this area. We actually held resistance. Sorry, we held support. I think that was support, right? Yes, it was. So literally it held support, and then we broke past a previous high, which we set double top from their price discovery. So 38 cents is in play. Very simple. All of our targets are getting hit, so congratulations. Keep in mind, I know everyone's like really excited right now and everyone's making money, but like when the bear market starts, we're going to be looking at areas of support and accumulation, okay? So if you guys are going to stick with me for the next 4 years, then there's going to be a lot of patience, right? You guys have to have a lot of patience because we're going to get big moves down. You're going to think that things have bottomed when they really haven't. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey, Gearhead, that's funny that you say that because did you see what I typed in Vision? Is that why you're saying that? Did you see what I typed in Vision's live stream yesterday? Is that why you're saying that? That's funny. But yeah, I'm out of OXC. But that was just a mere coincidence, okay? You don't know that. 100K. I wish I had that kind of money. I wish I was a millionaire. I would be sick. I wouldn't be sitting on a box as my chair. Oh. You missed oh yeah, Louis the Cool. Sorry about that. I love puppies. Sorry guys, I'm sorry if I'm missing a coin. There's a lot of coin requests coming in. So taking a look at I love puppies, which I do. But I like cats more obviously because this is a cat channel and I don't like looking at dogs on a cat channel. I'm just joking. So so you're looking at anything over 6 euros 16 and 6 euros 27. You're looking at 6 euros 5. Previous high, double top, price discovery, 5 euros 97. So everything's still in play. Actually, there's really nothing to nothing exciting to look at it. To the price discovery and 1618, you're looking at around a 28x. So it is still going to put the market cap around like 325 million. So again, you already know it's a gamble coin. 1.1 million liquidity locked, which is good. 13 million market cap. Nothing too crazy. It is a gamble coin. So so I hope it works out for you. EBG, let's go. Dogelon is gonna blow. Hey man, I'll carry the weight. If everybody sells their coin EGB and all the other Dogelon Mars, literally I'm gonna keep buying it. Like I don't even care, dude. I'm gonna have like a trillion coins or 10 trillion coins. I'll build it out. I'll build it out. Screw it. No, but the devs are doing really good. I was just joking about that, but the devs are doing really good. I do believe in the project too. I really do. No, I didn't. What did you type? I sold my OXT, and I rotated some into Dogelon Mars. That's what I said. And talking about that, I don't like looking back, but let's see OXT. It's doing pretty well. I mean, 14 cents, and this was yesterday, so I went higher. Yeah, I went higher. It went 14.70. All right, that's fine. I mean, it is what it is. I hope this goes up too. Everybody gets all their money back, but I do also think that Dogelon Mars is a better play for me. And I'm glad I got my money, some money back on OXT. So it's not a complete, in the future, I do believe in it and blah, 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 but whatever. Let's see. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? Hoshi, can you do Axelar? Thank you so much for the 2. I had to get loans to invest in crypto. Damn. You in the pantry, bro, or in the closet? That's funny. He's in the. No. I haven't had a chance to clean up. I just moved yesterday, so I don't have a chance to. I haven't had a chance to do anything. I have to actually find this box to actually sit on too. And what's funny, it's a chair, but this is my wife's chair. My chair is coming tomorrow, so I'm actually gonna have a chair to actually sit in, and then the streams can go a little bit longer. So I'm pretty excited about that. You're completely out of OXT or holding a moon bag? No, I'm completely out. I rotated some into Dogelon Mars yesterday at 6 zeros 21.18 and then 21.20. And it's crazy because I was in the best mood ever because this is where I bought it, like right here. And then it started going up, and as I'm moving, I'm like, oh dude, like my account's going up, I'm moving, I don't care, everything's great. And then it went all the way back down, but it's okay. It's okay. I do believe in it. Haha, OXC is gonna go to $1 now. Yeah, you know it is. It's fine. I hope it does, and I hope it does. I just think for me, I like Dogelon Mars a little bit better. I think I'm gonna. And it's funny because I told my friend, I said, hey, well, first of all, I got to do Axelar, but I told my friend, I was like, hey, I'm just gonna be a Dogelon Mars maxi now, and I'm just gonna literally hold. I'm just gonna hold Dogelon Mars. I think Dogelon Mars is a good play. I do love the community. I like the fact that they're like always working on it and they're building it out. They like updated the website. Like it's not a dead project. I like the name. You know, it's just it's a no-brainer in my opinion. I think this is gonna go up and it's gonna go a lot higher than OXC in my opinion. OXC is a great coin. As you know, maybe eventually one day I'll get some again, but for now I think I'm pretty much happy that, you know, with what I made on it, what I made back on it, I should say. And then, yeah, from there. Taking a look at Axelar. I'm so sorry. Hey, thank you so much for this super chat. I really appreciate it. Axelar looks like it's attempting to break out, but is it over the 236382? Let's see. Oh, it looks good. Yeah. Hey, Gearhead, don't, like... You're going to make me feel bad. You're going to be like, dude, OX is going to go to $10 now, man. Why'd you say that? Now I have to buy it. Now I have to like put some money back in, man. Gosh. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so bullish over 80 cents. You're looking at next area resistance $1, which we actually broke. So as of right now, you're looking at $1.28, $1.78, $2.73, and from double top, previous all-time high. You're looking at, and was that the previous all-time high? Yeah, it was. Oh, this coin came out in 2022, so okay. Yeah, so once that breaks, you're looking at up to $9.32 once the double top and it breaks out. So very bullish over 80 cents. And then if you take your fib from the low to the high, you can see that 75.88 cents is the 236382. So I'd say, you know, around 80 cents is a crucial area because you're still maintaining this uptrend, and it is the 382 from the high to the low. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it, and that's awesome. Let's see. ACH. Aaron C. I'll take a look at ACH. Watch this up. Can you check Cat Bag, Degen Gamble? Hold on. I don't know why my phone keeps doing that. All right, let's see. What's up, DZ? You already know. Can we get a Degen update? Yes. Bitcoin went and hit the Fat Joe lean back, and we coming back? Yeah, seriously. Dogelon Mars streamers get 80 plus viewers. Put it on your title. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't just look at Dogelon Mars though. You know, I'm just like I want to be a streamer but I also have Dogelon Mars, so it's like super biased because I'm looking at everybody's coins. I'm looking at everybody's coins, and you know, I just so happen to have you know, Dogelon Mars. I'll take a look at LCX. Ah, man, that's the story of my life. That's why I said that. Every time I sell rotate, I can't look back. Yeah, but I had Dogelon Mars, so I made some money back on OXT, and then I'm like, hey, I want to buy some Dogelon Mars or some more Dogelon Mars, right? So that's why I ended up rotating some of my profits into Dogelon Mars, and now I only have Dogelon Mars. So yeah, we'll see. Moonbound in the house. Let's go. The number one Dogelon Mars content creator on YouTube. Moonbound in the house. Welcome to the live stream, Moonbound. We had a nice move yesterday, but we did come back down. But you already know it doesn't matter, right? Because we're holding it. We're holding it until it eats like 2 zeros. Yeah. 100x, baby. 100x. Let's go. You're welcome, Hoshi. Thank you so much for the 2. I really appreciate it. By the way, have you noticed the top left corner of CoinMarketCap? Yeah, I know. I saw that. This is so sick. Look, that is so cool. And it's like a bull. You see how? Oh no, I guess it's not a bull, but it kind of looks like bull horns. That's what I thought. Like it was a bull. Because it kind of looks like a bull, right? That's what that is, or is it the hands? It might be the hands. Let's see. Let's take a look at Degen, and then let's take a look at LCX, and then please let me know if I missed any coins, guys. Yeah, Degen staying over 17, so it's still over the 382, so it's still consolidating over bullish territory. So yeah, I'd say, where's the USD now? Perpetual. Yeah. So Degen as of right now, so we're over the 382 at 208. We're actually consolidating over 18, which is 618. So as of right now for Degen, you are looking at 3 cents 10, 6 cents, and it was like 54 cents. Yeah, 54 cents. So all of these targets are still valid. And then it needs to stay over the 236382 from the low to the high. So you're looking at, yeah, so 1 cent 30. And then 208 on the macro time frame. So as long as it stays over a 1 cent 30, you're looking at 3 cents 20, previous high, double top, price discovery up to 54 cents. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. Thank you very much. You're welcome. What's up, Moon? By the way, yeah, Puffer Finance. I'll take a look at that for you. Gala slowly staircasing up. Yeah, Gearhead, did you see? We looked at, you remember it hit the target. So if you were selling, congratulations. But I know you're not, because if you sell, it's going to go up, right? Same with OXT. So it literally hit the, so you already know my targets, but I'll just tell you anyway, because I like your name. So yeah, so we actually came and tagged, you know, the 6 cents 20, and you probably haven't asked for an update because you knew that we got rejected at 382. Once that breaks, you're looking at 10 cents and then 17 cents, so on, right? And as of right now, I guess, you know, it needs to stay over 3 cents 30, but that is kind of drastic. So let's just take the 236. So 4 cents 50, it needs to stay over, and then you're going to get a continuation up. If it breaks below 3 cents 50, then I'd say that this was another local top, and we are probably going to come back down. Very simple. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Puffer Finance, ABT. Yeah, that's right, ABT. That's what I forgot. Arc block. I hope the camera didn't catch that. So, camera. I hope the camera did. The mic, whatever. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Taking a look at ABT. So from the high to the low, we actually came down, tagged $1.79, so $1.80. The 382 bullish over 382. We set that before. And as of right now, 216, 260, 339, and previous high, and then up to $12.67. It needs to stay over $1.80. If it doesn't, then we're going to go back down. And then in terms of support goes, you can see that also does coincide with the 236. You can't really see that, but here. That coincides with the 236, which is what we're on. So I'd say worst case scenario, $1.68 for continuation up. If it doesn't, we are going to come back down to the lows. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Not sure if you looked at Spell yet. Yeah, I have. Bullish over 3095, as long as it's over 3095, which is at 2012. Right now, the target is 2018. So 2018 is the macro 382, which means that if you go back up, just like Gala, if you go back up, you might get rejected at the 382 again, maybe get some consolidation or retracement. But if once you break over 2018, it's going to be macro bullish and you're going to fly up on out of here. Very simple. I don't even have to look at it. I hope that made sense. That's how much I've looked at it. I memorized it. Why would I sell now, fool? I'm in it for the 6 figures. Exactly. That's exactly why we're friends on YouTube and why you are my number one fan. I don't even know what I was saying. I'm tired, but you know what I'm trying to say. Yeah, exactly. We don't want no chump change. We want millions. We want millions. We want life-changing money. That's what we want. Okay, let's see. What is Dogelon Mars? It's a meme coin. Cactus, I hate Spell, worst coin ever. It is doing pretty good, DZ. ACH, I forgot ACH. Hoshi for 5 again. Thank you so much for the super chat again. I really appreciate that. Omni Network looks great, over $14, only 9 million in circulation at the moment. Let's take a look at Omni Network for Hoshi. $140 million market cap, 1.4 billion market cap, fully diluted. It is on Coinbase. Did it just come out? So it just came out earlier this year. They are releasing coins, so just be careful of that. From the high to the low, it is attempting to be bullish. You can see we're getting stuck at 382, which is around $14. So I say, how's the new mic? Dude, I got distracted because of that question. You don't hear it? Isn't it so much more clear? You tell me. You told Vision I bought $1,000 mic. That's funny. What did he say? Okay, so sorry about that. I got distracted. So for Omni Network, bullish over $13.94. You're looking at $18, $23, $24, and then you're looking at the previous high for when it was released. And once that breaks, you're looking at up to $221. But again, keep in mind they are releasing coins, and it's already a $140 million market cap coin. So 10x would be 1.4. So it's still going to be around a $2 billion market cap at 221. That doesn't mean it can't happen. I'm just saying, just be careful with it. And keep in mind, if we do get rejected at 13.94, it needs to stay over 10. Otherwise, it is going to be bearish, and we are going to come back down. So, no financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. David Wood. Good night. Oh, signing off for the night. Great info as always. Hey, thank you so much for the membership, Free Lightning. I really appreciate it. And welcome to Crypto Cats. LCX. Hey, please tell me what he said. I can't, dude, this was $50. This was not $1,000. That's crazy. I already looked at XCN, but I'll take a look at it again. Can you do Loopring? Oh my gosh, Loopring. That's a blast from the past. Dude, that was the coin that last cycle on Coinbase, it went to like $3, right? Yeah, I'll take a look at it. He said, no way. It sounds way better. After stream compared to your older streams. No, I made a Dogelon Mars video today for 18 minutes because I typed up some comparisons and with Shiba Inu and just things that they're doing. And then I actually watched the full video and I'm like, wow, I literally sound like one of those podcasters or one of those like people that are on radio. Like, hey guys, you know, today's temperature is going to be 53 degrees Fahrenheit, clear skies. Maybe if you look up, you'll see some shooting stars. You know, it just sounds like so much better. Anyway, let's take a look at LCX, Loopring, and please, I hope he doesn't think that I bought it that. Like oh man. If he actually believes you and he thinks that I bought $1,000 mic, he's never gonna come to the timeshare. That's like he's gonna be like, oh, like he made money and now he's buying it on like $1,000 mic. You know, I don't want to be friends with that guy. Well, you know what? I don't want to be friends with you either. No, I'm just joking. All right, let's see. Can you check Arrow? Yes. Putter, yeah, you know what, David Wood, thanks for telling me that because I missed that last time. Puffer, not Putter. Puffer Finance. What is this, some sort of weed related thing? I don't see a Puffer Finance. Yeah, I don't see Puffer Finance. Can you give me the ticker? David been waiting for. I know. I just noticed this is like third time asking, but it's just a lot of stuff happens in chat. Let's take a look at LCX. Taking a look at LCX. Ooh, nice move up. That's nice. Yeah, this is a good move up. Yeah, so LCX is like really bullish right now. So on the macro time frame, you're looking at, so you're getting stuck at the 786, 67 cents is in play, and then you're looking at up to $4.68. And then as long as it stays over 236382, which is 21 cents to 26 cents, that target is valid. So double top, and if we break out, you're looking at up to 467. So very simple for LCX. 21 cents, 27 cents absolutely needs to hold. And then you're looking at 69 cents for double top. Once that breaks, price discovery up to 467. Just my opinion. Spell token, another spell token. So as long as it stays over 3095, it is not bearish. Bearish under 3095. As long as it stays over that, you're looking at 2018. 2018, once that breaks, that is the macro 382. So that's going to send you flying. Very simple. As of right now, it's at 2012. So it is on target and on track and on the trajectory to hit 2018, which will mark the macro bull run start for spell if it does break it. Pretty much it. Not financial advice. Puffer. Okay, puffer. Okay, I see a puffer. Hey. Hey. My cats are getting used to the new place. Hey. They're super scared still. Oh, you know what? Am I on a delay? I mean, probably am on a delay. No. Okay. Good. So taking a look at Puffer. Came out October of this year, and it's going to the moon. So congratulations. I guess we do not perpetual. October. Yeah, this is it. Oh, it did a double top? It kind of almost looks like it did. So I think you asked about this before, right? So we said, bullish over 40 cents. So if you had bought over 40 cents, then congratulations, because then you're letting it ride. Keep in mind, excuse me, keep in mind, as of right now, the next targets for Puffer are going to be 96 and price discovery up to $2.32. Keep in mind, it does need to stay over. Yeah, I'd say continuation as long as it stays over 73 cents. Very simple. And what is that? That's like. Yeah, that does match the 786. So that does coincide with 786. So yeah, I'd say 71, 73 cents absolutely needs to hold. If it does, then you're looking at 96 cents and then 231. Very simple. Yeah, that's it. Bought in at 45 cents. Yeah, congratulations. You bought in when it was bullish. So you could have taken a risk and buy it all the way down here, but we all know how that ends up. If you had bought, it would have probably made another leg down like it did here. So congratulations on that. Good job. Nice buy. Can you check out Phantom? Ooh, I haven't checked out Phantom in a while. How is it? Is it over $1? Yeah, it is. Okay. Taking a look at Phantom. Alchemy. I'll take a look at Alchemy. I'm sorry about that. Thanks for sticking around. It is a lot of coins, right? Yeah, so Alchemy. First of all, that's ACH, not Alchemy. I always mix up the two. So as of right now, Phantom is on its way to the 786 at $1.83. Once that breaks, you're looking at 351, and then you're looking at new price discovery up to 23. Whether it could go that high or whether it gets stuck, your guess is better than mine. As of right now, these are the targets. And then, I'd say a continuation if it stays over 70 to 89 cents. So very simple, not financial advice, just my opinion. And then let's take a look at ACH, Alchemy. Wait, I thought, never mind, Alchemy. I said Alchemex. God, I always mix up the two. Yeah, so ACH, ooh, I remember when this coin was listed on Coinbase. Yeah, so taking a look at Alchemy, was it 21 cents? 12 cents. Yeah, I don't know why this is showing 24 cents. Huh, hold on. Getting conflicting data. 12 cents. Did it hit 24 cents on Coinbase? Damn. I feel like that's wrong. I guess it's not though, no. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna use this. So just more price data. So yeah, same with ACH. It's bullish over 2 cents 40, and we just broke the 0.5. So congratulations on that, because 5 cents 20 is in play, 9 cents 17, 18 cents is in play. Double top. Once that breaks, you're looking at up to $1.30. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Hey. And it needs to stay over 2 cents 40. Any sort of retracement that puts you back under that is no longer going to be macro bullish. Arrow. Wow, congratulations. You guys are about to double top. So, yeah, so as of right now, again, macro bullish, nothing really exciting here. You just got to wait. You're looking at 242, double top, price discovery up to 714. How high it's going to go, your guess is better than mine. It needs to stay over $1.15 to $1.40. If it doesn't, then you are looking at a local top here and a bigger move down. Very simple, not financial advice, just my opinion. Yeah, bag is in resistance. It looks like we're getting a nice little recovery. But as long as bag is under 2031, which is not, it's bearish. As long as it stays between 2031 to 2064, you are consolidating in what I call resistance. Once 2064 breaks, then I'd say bullish and bull run. So, but it needs to stay over, and it needs to stay over that level. Long story short. How is OXC doing? I hate looking back, but how is it doing? How is my favorite coin that I have, that I talked about for the last 4 years, doing? Here, I'll do bullish, and then, yeah. Excuse me. Alrighty. Is that everyone? Okay. Got a lot of churn out this this stream. Let's check the subscriber coins. A lot of subscriber comments. Can you please update ShapeShift Fox? Okay. I guess the chat has slowed down, so I can actually look at some membership coins. Taking a look at ShapeShift Fox on the live stream on a cardboard box. So from the high to the low, we are not bullish yet on the macro time frame because we are not over 8 cents 90. Once this does break, I'd say ShapeShift Fox to the moon and 1490s in play, 24, 51, and so on. Keep in mind that as long as it stays over 4 cents 77, it is not bearish. And once we break 8 cents 90, it is macro bullish. Very simple as of right now. It's just a waiting game. It does look like it's attempting to break out, so we're just going to have to wait and see. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Would you consider to buy now? Looks like it broke. Dude, I can't tell you. LandShare, this guy, Stefano. I'll take a look at this, and then I will take a look at the chats. Taking a look at LandShare for the only person that ever asked for LandShare, actually. You haven't asked for it in a while, but that's because we were probably doing so well, right? And we actually double topped. So like we said before, and people need to realize that is, you know, you break all these levels and then, you know, you sell on the way up. And then if you don't get past that double top and go into price discovery, then this target at like $66 in this case isn't going to happen. But so far so good, because on the macro time frame from the high to the low, although you did double top, you did stay over the 382 at $1.34. You can see we literally been consolidating and staying over this level. So it is still macro bullish. And as of right now, 456 is in play, followed by maybe a triple top. And once that breaks, $66. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that all made sense. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, let's check the chat. Oh, Loopring. Oh my gosh. Yeah, sorry about that. Taking a look at Loopring. Yeah, was it $3? It was $3. I remember this coin. I was like, oh my god. OXT or Loopring? I stayed in OXT, obviously. It's okay. OXT is doing great. I think, dude, I think it's going to easily be over $1. But I think the potential for Dogelon Mars is a lot higher than a 10x. So that's what I believe. So from the high to the low, yeah, so for Loopring, nothing's bullish on the macro time frame until it breaks 40 cents. It's bearish under 23 cents. So it needs to stay over 23.68. If it doesn't, then we're going to go back down to the low and we are bearish. Once we break 40 cents, little to no resistance, 62 cents, 96, $1.78, and so on. And I mean, you have a fib up here at 38. So once it double tops and if it goes into price discovery, your guess is better than mine, but we have a fib up here at $38. So not financial advice, just my opinion. LiteCoin. Ooh. LiteCoin. How's LiteCoin doing? It's doing alright. Very slow, but it's doing alright. So taking a look at LiteCoin with the heavy heart. So from the high to the low, we are bullish. You can see once we bounced around here for a while, actually, right? It was November 15th, and then we broke out December 1st. So 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks. And once we broke out, we were macro bullish. The 0.5 got hit, $129. And then you're looking at, right now, you're looking at $171. So as of right now, 171 is in play, 252 previous high. And from there, LiteCoin up to 1700. I don't, your guess is better than mine. I don't know. After that point, after the previous high. But at least we know double top is a target, and then from there, your guess would be better than mine. All right, let's check the subscribers. Update on Ghost. Taking a look at Avagachi Ghost on the live stream on a cardboard box for now. So, we just made a high. So from the high to the low, you can see we are getting stuck at $1.38. So I'd say bullish over $1.38. And if we get rejected, we do need to stay over $1.08. If we don't, then we are going to be macro bearish if we fall below $1.08. So we need to stay over that and then bull run over $1.38. Next targets are $1.68, $2.05, $2.72, $3.90, and then from there you're looking at up to $11 once we break that double top. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Again, it does look like it's attempting to break out. So, $1.68 and $2.05 are in play once we get over $1.38. So, and again, with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's check the chat, see how the chat's doing. Mog. What is Mog? Yeah, so wow. Everything was our targets are held. So we set that 6 zeros 85. Worst case scenario needs to hold over that. That's the 786 from low to the high. We said support at 5 zeros 12 to 5 zeros 14. So we said it absolutely needs to hold this over this level. And once it breaks the previous high at 5 zeros 25, we have a target at 5 zeros 56. So very simple. It literally stuck to the chart. So this is exactly why I need a buy trading view, so we could look at this on the live and we could see like, hey, all of our targets got hit. So then it'll be on you at what point you want to sell and how much profit you want to take on the way up, right? I can't tell you that. So I'm happy that you're obviously making money and you're up because, we did look at it when it was down here and you're up at least like, 126% on your position. So congratulations. At this point, we do need to delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. We could delete this at this point. This target is still in play at 5 zeros 56, and then it needs to stay over 236382. So at this point, I say continuation. If it breaks below that, then this is the local top, and we are going to get a bigger move down. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Oh, SUKU's macro bullish. It broke 8 cents. I gotta make a video on this for this guy who's asking for it. Taking a look at SUKU on the live stream for the gentleman who's asking for it. So SUKU is actually, I think, bullish because it broke over 8 cents, right? Well, actually, it's not bearish because it broke over 8 cents. Yeah, so SUKU was bearish under 8 cents 30. We said once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance to 14 cents. So I'd say right now 14 cents 64 around this area is in play. Keep in mind, bearish under 8 cents 30, bullish over 14 cents. So once it gets over 14 cents, I'd say again, bull run, SUKU to the moon. Little to no resistance to 22 cents, 34 cents, 66 cents, and so on. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So far, so good. As of right now, 14 cents is in play. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh my God, that's a lot. Lords and Vara. I need to look at this on Coinbase, yeah. So block Lords on Coinbase. Yeah, so bearish under 71 cents. You could clearly see we're stuck at 71 cents. So if this doesn't hold, keep in mind we are bearish and we're probably going to come back down to the lows. As long as this holds though, you're looking at 92 cents is in play as of right now. And then once that breaks, then we are going to be macro bullish. $1.14, $1.46, $1.91, 280 are all in play. Once that breaks, and if that's the double top and you form this giant U, then you're looking at all-time highs and price discovery up to 849. And then Vara, if they stop releasing coins, which it looks like, yeah, they released more coins literally like 7 days ago. You see this price? Dude, like, be careful with Vara. If you click on market cap, you can see they released coins on December 2nd because of this giant spike. And although the price did go up, which is true, it can happen. Keep in mind they did dilute the market. So yeah, literally you see that, like, you guys see it, right? You guys see this giant spike, and then you see the price here. That means that they released coins. So I'll still do an update for you though, because you know it doesn't mean a coin can't go up. So taking a look at Vara. Yeah, so from the high to the low, it is technically bearish under 3 cents 10. If it breaks and if it actually gets over that, then you're looking at 4 cents 90. Once that breaks, then I'd say bull run, 7 cents, 10 cents, 17 cents, and so on. But as long as it stays under 3 cents 16, it is bearish. Not financial advice, just my opinion. That's pretty much it. I gotta do SD Trader. Taking a look at SD Trader on the live stream. So, I mean, yeah. So bullish over $1.10. So we're literally we broke through it. So $1.81 is in play right now. Keep in mind it needs to stay over $1.10, and over $1.10 is bullish on the macro time frame. As of right now, $1.81, 298, 607 are in play. We'll keep you updated as long as all these targets get hit. So none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And then let's take a look at all right, let's do Parsec. And then XCN, and then look at the live stream, and then we could call it a night because that's like 2 hours. Yeah, taking a look at Parsec, but is this the full? No, there we go. This is the full graph. So I gotta look at it actually. Taking a look at Parsec on the live stream. So from the high to the low, keep in mind Parsec is bearish under 11 cents. We are attempting to break out. So I'd say as of right now, 20 cents is in play. However, if we don't break over and stay over 11 cents, around 11 cents, then we are going to be macro bearish because we are going to be under the 236 on the macro time frame. So again, bearish under 11 cents, bullish over 20 cents. And as of right now, it looks like we're attempting to have a breakout. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And then XCN, and then we'll take a look at the chat. Taking a look at Onyxcoin XCN on the live stream. So we'll do an update video. We had a couple people ask for it. So as of right now, XCN is not bearish because we're over 2022. So it's very boring right now because as of right now, we're attempting to break out. So so we do have a target at the 382 at 2047. Once that breaks, then you're macro bullish again, 2086, 1 cent 50, and so on. These are all targets in play, but none of that is in play until we break over and stay over at the 382, which is 2047. With that being said, if we do for whatever reason fall below 2026 again, then we are going to be macro bearish, and we are probably going to come back down to the lows. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, let's check the chat. Oh, I just did XCN. Perfect. Okay, I need to stretch because I've been sitting on a box for like 2 hours. Hey, that's my box. That's my seat. I wonder if this lighting is good or if I need to make it lighter because I can actually make it lighter. Actually, can you guys tell me? Yeah, I'm going to make it a little bit lighter. Like brighter, that's what I meant. Okay, is that better? Yeah, I bought a chair. I bought a chair. It's coming tomorrow. This isn't my chair. It's my box. Is anyone in the chat holding Degen or other base memes? I think there's a couple people. Dude, SHIBA INU, once that pops, those 7 NFTs are going to be money. Maddie, Render. Maddie Ghost, hey man, I remember you. You were one of the you're the one person that donated like the most money I ever got donated in a single super chat, and I remember you. So thank you for that. So so now our debt is paid once I look at vendor, right? I'm just joking. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Okay, taking a look at render. That's really cool. It's actually doing really good. So, oh yeah, dude, this is great. No, not Bybit. Where is it? No. Dude, where is the full graph for this? Oh, this is it. Okay, gosh, I was wondering where the heck it was. Okay, so all right. So hey, how's the lighting? Is the lighting better now that it's like more bright, or do I need to change it? So from the high to the low. Yeah, once we broke out. So yeah, as of right now, believe it or not, render is on its way to $76 on the macro time frame. Let's just look at more conservative numbers though. So 33 double top, and then it needs to stay over 382,236. All right, so very simple for render as long as we're over $7.91 and $9.30. The next target is double top, $14. Once that breaks, price discovery up to 33.62. Up to, so you have to decide when you want to sell. And then you're looking at Moon Boy bullish target, you know, to the moon, $76.10. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see how I look actually, because no one's answering it. Yeah, that should be fine. Or I think maybe I should make my chat a little bit, or my video a little bit bigger. Maybe. I don't know. Yes, LOL, AMP, RAN, and Swift. Yeah. Hey, I'm so happy. Congratulations on it. I told you I love AMP. It's just it's running at this point. It's too late to apologize, you know? It's too late. It's way too late for me. It's going to the moon. And then SwiftCoin, yeah, SwiftCoin's doing really good. A lot of people are watching the SwiftCoin videos, so very, very good. You wanna come up here? See, people have babies, but that's mine. She is such a sweetheart. Very good cat. Very good child. Very good child. My prized possession there. One of my prized possessions. All right, let's see. Requal. Oh, I haven't done a video on Requal ever. Not Requal, Request. I remember this because I remember when it was listed on Coinbase. Yeah, it's an oldie but a goodie. All right, let's see. Yeah, so taking a look at request on request. So from the high to the low, we are not bearish because we're over 12 cents 25. I say we are on target for 18 cents 94, so around 19 cents. Once that breaks, we're macro bullish again, 26 cents, 38 cents, 63 cents, and so on. We'll take the targets as they come. And then as long as it stays over 12 cents 25, then you're not bearish. Bearish under 12.25. And then once it breaks the 382, we'll look at areas that it needs to stay over. Otherwise, it's going to mark a local top. But none of that is valid right now until we break around 19 cents. We need to break over and stay over it. So no financial advice, just my opinion. At DZ with Coinbase Wallet, Maddie, I heard Visual's Aerobud is nice. Like, how do I buy Coinbase Wallet? Oh yeah, I don't do any of that, dude. That's so complicated. Pretty simple. It's so no, it is very, very simple. So you get Coinbase Wallet, and then you send Ethereum, because I just downloaded Uniswap because I bought JesusCoin like a month ago, and then I sold it, and I'm happy I did because I actually made $50. And then it went down. But I hated it turned me off the fact that I have to have Ethereum, and if the coin runs and I don't have enough Ethereum, then I can't sell. So I was like, whoa, I hate being so locked. But anyway, I think it's the same where you buy Ethereum, you send it to your Coinbase wallet, and then you swap it. So you got to swap Ethereum for whatever it is you're trying to buy. Aerobud, actually, you know, I have a chart on that coin. No. What? Arrowbud. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. So look, we actually came down, bounced over resistance, and now so we're on our way to 32 cents. Very simple. I know that's a very big target, but this is also a very big gamble coin. So, you know, it stayed over the box, which is completely invalidated now because we bounced from it and we literally legged up. So it is invalidated. I would need to redraw the targets, but I'm actually trying to get this calluses off my finger right now, so I can't do that. But yeah, give me a second. All right. Yeah, so these are all invalidated. Yep, so this is what we're looking at. It needs to stay over 1 cent, 2 cents 10, continuation up to 32 cents is in play. That is a really big move down though. Yeah, that's like around 80. I don't even think that's going to happen, but technically it's still possible. I mean, this thing had a massive run. Look at this. Yeah, dude, guys, like it already went 100x. So massive run. Congratulations. Gotcha. I'll buy some ETH, send it to my Coinbase wallet, and swap it. Damn, I'll edit for a pullback with Arrowbud. Yeah, so I mean, just keep in mind, this thing could just keep going up though. But is there a reason why? Like, am I missing something? Is there a reason why Arrowbud is going to the moon right now? Like, did I not get the memo? Also, with that being said, we have been live for about 2 hours now. So I do have to eventually end the live stream and edit the videos I made. So yeah, I think no more coin requests, no more super chats. Thank you everybody for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all for entertainment purposes. Thank you so much for all the members, all the super chats, and all the subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys, and that's awesome. Thank you so much. With that being said, I will be going live this weekend, probably Saturday and Sunday. Did I say that right? I don't know. But you know what I'm trying to say. So see you guys this weekend. Probably going to be streaming, obviously in the morning time. And yeah, with that being said, have a great night. Happy Friday tomorrow. Have a great Thursday night. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. And again, thank you to everyone. And have a great night.